Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. 10. Timing. 10. Timing now 7 meters on the price line. 7 meters. Is the target price $150? 2. Awe insurance. Price $150. And 3. Price 1, price index 125. 2. R growth price index $182. And 4. Cost-effective index levels 141. Cost-effective index levels 151. Cost-effective index 121. Cost-effective index levels 141. Cost-effective index 141. Cost-effective index 121. Cost-effective index 141. Since April 3rd, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -4.6. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 8.38% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -8.38% to 20.87%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 36.50%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 36.50% to 96.8% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $725.68 and $1,042.38. Our latest daily update from Meta includes the headline, "Is Meta stock still a buy after falling 8.96% on Thursday?" The Meta stock price decreased by 8.96% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of April 2025, dropping from $583.93 to $531.62. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.21%, with a low of $530.24. And a high of $552.56. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 9.28% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 22 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 34 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $18 billion and $30 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $740.89, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price stands 28.25%, or $209.27, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Meta is facing a challenging landscape following the announcement of new tariffs that could have significant implications for its advertising revenue. Analysts warn that the tech sector, particularly companies like Meta, may experience what has been described as an economic Armageddon if these tariffs persist. With Meta's reliance on Chinese advertisers, the recent sell-off in tech stocks has seen Meta's stock price decline sharply, reflecting broader market trends. Compounding these issues, Meta is also embroiled in a lawsuit concerning allegations that its platform contributed to violence in Ethiopia, amounting to £1.8 billion. Such legal challenges not only threaten financial liability, but could also tarnish the company's reputation, further impacting user trust and advertiser confidence. Additionally, protests are erupting over accusations that Meta misappropriated authors' content for its artificial intelligence training, signaling growing scrutiny and public backlash against big tech practices. This could lead to stricter regulations and heightened operational costs. In the short term, these factors are likely to create volatility in Meta's stock price, exacerbated by the recent market trend that has seen significant losses across the tech sector. In the long run, sustained pressure from tariffs and legal challenges may inhibit Meta's growth potential and financial stability, prompting investors to tread cautiously. Overall, the convergence of these adverse developments poses a critical test for Meta as it navigates its future in a tumultuous economic climate. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigers Financial assigned Meta a strong buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank rated Meta as sector perform, also with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, BMO Capital assigned Meta a market perform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, Cowen & Company rated Meta as buy, along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, UBS also assigned Meta a buy rating, paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts recommend the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Meta stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $581.17 and $630.95. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and so far it has fallen negative 27.83%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically exhibits moderate daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk level is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $22.32 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 4.21%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 4.10%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard P/E ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing performance or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.33. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $586. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 31st of March, 2025, Olivan Javier executed an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 25th of March, 2025, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 921 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Olivan Javier executed an insider sale of 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Olivan Javier executed an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, or RSUs, of Class A. On the 20th of March, 2025, Bosworth Andrew executed an insider purchase of 31,370 shares of restricted stock units, or RSUs, of Class A. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 14.628. In total, insiders acquired 202,871 shares and sold 154,711 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta exhibits several negative signals and currently exists within a significantly wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly over the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a sell candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of April, we expect Meta to open higher by $6.52, starting at a price of $538.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.